Welcome to the new segment of the grade 10th geography. We are discussing about the manufacturing industry, that is the sixth chapter of in a geography. Yesterday we had discussed about the contribution of industries to the national economy, how the industry is developing to provide a economy for the national. The same topic we are having today, another one subtopic, that is industrial location. Industrial location, it is a very important for to the make a industry. For that purpose we need a raw material, labor, capital, power and market. So raw material is requirement for to the manufacturing, for example cotton for the textile. The labor who having a skill for to the manufacture that raw material to the product material, such a labors we are the needed for to the industrial for to the location. The next one is a capital, it is a money. Yes, money is a very important for to the arrangement of any kind of industry. Power, that is electricity also is very important. And market, for the whatever the material it is prepared or the manufactured in a industry, that we have to be supply for the market. So these things are the very important for the location of any kind of industry. Along with that, these industries are nearer to the cities. We cannot see the so many industries in a rural areas, in a nearer to the villages. We can see the industrial estates or the industrial fields in a where in a near to the city. Why? Because here we can get the power easily and as well as a market, and along with the labor also we can get. And if they are having a capitalist, that is investors to for to the making industries. And this one is helpful to the industrialization, that is urbanization. These industries where they are the locating in the cities, they are the helpful for to the urbanization means development of cities. Yes, so city, what it will be provides, it is a provides bank and market. Along with that, it will be provides transports and labor it will be provides. And along with that, financial advisors, it will provide financial advisors. Financial advice means how to we have to invest the capital, how much we'll get the profit. Those advices they will give by these financial. Along with that, they are the giving loans for to the make industries to successfully. Yes, another one, it is the many industries lend to come together to make use of the advantages offered by the urban centers. This one is known as agglomeration. Yes, so this economics or the economies, it will be referred to the urban centers. So these urban centers, they are the making very easily and agglomeration, this economy, it will be helpful for to the make the advantages for to the labors as well as marketing, which is they are the providing for to the manufacturing industries. Yes, before the independence, before the 1947, the pre independence period, we are the having a marketing system, or that is industrialization. That is, you can know that is East India Company. Yes, French East India Company, those are the located in uh, these industries, they are the located in Mumbai, that is a Bombay, Kolkata and Chennai. Those pre-independence period, they are the located, those these places were very famous for to the do the location of industries. Why they are the chosen these the places? Because Mumbai, I think you all know, it is a coastal line. Yes, Kolkata also is a coastal place. Chennai also is a coastal place. Before the independence, people they are the coming from to the waterways. They are the used waterways for to the transportation as well as to reach our country for to do the these business as well as marketing is the import and export. So today we are learnt about industrial location. The industrial location is very important for to the what? The manufacturing industries. So today's segment we are learnt about industrial location. For reference you can refer 10th grade geography textbook. Thank you.